Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making a batch of beef jerky for my dog Teddy. So I prepare this in batches. I get roasts when they go on sale. I slice them up into strips and I toss them a little bit of melted coconut oil, and then I store them in little bags in the freezer. So when I'm ready for a batch, I just pull one out. I've let this one thaw in the fridge, and now I'm going to go ahead and make it in the deluxe air fryer and oven. This is so easy to do. It's a high value treat for your dogs and they will totally love it. So you're just going to take those strips. You see the little white chunks? That's coconut oil. When you're making jerky for your dog, they can't have any seasonings. So it's just plain coconut oil and beef. You can make it with different types of meats as you like. I just get whatever is on sale, slice it thin. They don't need tender cuts that cost a lot of money because they're dogs and they love it all. So let's just spread it around to get it ready to bake. Oh, by the way, with the air fryer, these racks are huge. So you can do a really big batch on your racks because you can do 2 at a time. We're ready to turn on the deluxe air fryer and oven. Just press the button and it lights up here. To open up the doors, you see this little button here. You're simply going to slide it while pressing inward and it unlocks the door, just like that. Now you can open both doors at once if you want to. The top compartment is for toasting, broiling, and baking. The bottom compartment can do all those things and the dehydrate feature, and the bottom is also your air fryer. So let's go ahead and get it ready. I'm going to turn the dial until dehydrate lights up, and once it's blinking, push the button in. It defaults to 130 degrees. All of the presets are adjustable. So to do that, just hit the little temperature. I know that I need it to be at 170 degrees. I'm going to push the button and adjust the time. I want to do 3 hours and it will be ready to go. Okay. There's no preheat for the dehydrate setting. So inside, I'll show you, I have both racks of the beef jerky. At the halfway point, it will beep. I'll rotate the racks and let it finish. Teddy is being so patient waiting for his jerky. Okay, it's all done. Let's take a look. It looks good. What do you think, Ted? I think we should give it a try. Let's get this little piece. Sit down, sweet boy. Sit down. What do you think, Ted? Should you try it out? That's amazing.